Welcome to Learn with Dugu. A for apple. Apple means save. Save. B for ball. Ball means gain. Gain. C for cat. Cat means billy. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. Machli. G for girl. Girl means ladki. Ladki. H for hen. Hen means murga. Murga. I for ice cream. Ice cream means kulfi. Kulfi. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for king. King means raja. Raja. L for lion. Lion means शेर. शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. Bandar. N for nose. Nose means naak. Naak. O for owl. Owl means ullu. Ullu. P for pen. Pen means kalam. Kalam. Q for queen. Queen means rani. Rani. R for rat. Rat means chooha. Chooha. S for sun. Sun means suraj. Suraj. T for tiger. Tiger means bagh. Bagh. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. Chhata. V for van. Van means gaadi. Gaadi. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. Tarboos. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak. Yak means एक जाति का बैल. एक जाति का बैल. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. ऐसे और न्यू वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.